Hello, hello. Today I thought I would go and revisit this palette. This is the Knockout palette by the Beatdown Cosmetics. This is an indie brand. This is what the inside of it looks like. Very nice. I've only used it I think once on camera and I feel bad. I have so much makeup that I need to use. But yes, I'm going to work today, so as you know, if you've been here before, this is just an eye makeup look. I'm not doing any other stuff except for maybe my eyebrows, which I already did, because I have to wear a mask. So I was actually thinking about doing something way different using the blues and the gold. I don't know how that's going to look, but we're going to try it out. So I'm going to take this random ass brush and we're going to just have at it. I already put Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer down. Like I said, I already did my eyebrows a little bit. I'm not actually working, but I'm working. I take the train down and then I go to the hotel and then I actually work tomorrow. So anyways, so yes, this is an indie brand. Right now their website actually has this. I just looked. They have this for sale for $14.99, which I think is a great price for the shadows and the formula. So I'm going to start with that blue down there. Did I have, yeah, I kind of saw this, I don't know if you can see that, this photo here on, I was going to say Pinterest, no, not Pinterest, Instagram. And I thought, maybe I'll try it, I don't know. I just wanted to do something different, you know, that's all. But anyways, we're going to go for a blue look. So we're going to try this out. Let's hope it doesn't look too shitty. So on my next days off, I plan on doing nothing other than maybe cleaning in this room. I still have footage from a video that I wanted to do. I wanted to show myself cleaning this room and organizing it, and I mean, I sort of still have that, but it got unorganized really quickly. So I also have super duper hooded eyes, so we'll see how this works. So I thought about taking this palette with me to work and taking my Pat McGrath. The fuck? I think a bird just dived into my window. Anyways, taking the Pat McGrath Divine Rose 2 palette that I have to work with me. Just to have something different. Yeah, just to have something different with me to use. And I mean, those were some expensive ass palettes and I have barely used them. So this is very pigmented. I don't know if they make these themselves or, you know, they just worked with a private company or, well, you know what I mean, like a lab. But this is a very nice palette. And I don't think I really used these colors before in that look I did before. I might have. I did kind of like a peacocky looking look. And I looked on the website, they actually put it on the website. Aw. I was really proud of that look. And actually I posted it in like a hooded eye group. And I got like so many comments, like over 1,000 likes on it. Like, it was crazy. By the way, like my little skeleton in the back, I found her downstairs. I remember I had her, but she's really unique and she's got makeup. I think it used to light up or something like that. I don't know. I'd have to look and see. But I basically have an army of skeletons, and I know my husband hates them. I'm also thinking about shaving off my eyebrows, and I know I've said it to some people. Pardon my nose, I'm so sorry. If I don't edit that out, I'm so sorry. I am having nose issues. That laid down nicely, I guess. But yeah, I really want to shave off my eyebrows. I want to do it. It's going to be really annoying to have to draw them on every day, but I really want to get more eyeshadow space. Anyways, okay, so I think I'm going to take a different brush. This is actually the Farrah brush. This is the short shading brush 45E. Be beautiful, be you. I got this in my Ipsy glam bag for August. I will link that video there if you want to look at that. Okay, so I think I'm going to take lights out. We're going to darken this up. See what happens here. This is the black. We shall see. maybe I won't even wear this to work. Who knows? I'm early enough awake to where I can just take it all off if it don't work. And just call it a day. Yeah, this might be too... That's okay, I'll use the other brush, the original brush, to blend it together. How about that? I guess this company also just had like a mystery box sale last month, which I'm like, dang. But they're an indie brand, and I think they only started up last year. They don't have too many products for sale, so I'm not like super mad about it or anything. And of course I'm trying to do this with my eyes open because I have hooded eyes, and I want this stuff to be able to be seen when my eyes are open. I'm sad that I wasn't able to go to wrestling this weekend, and now I look back on it and I'm like, we should have just fucking gone, but oh well. They changed the seating, and then it was going to be inside, and I was just afraid we would not be able to be close to the ring at all, and I do like being close to the ring, so I'm just kind of switching between my two original brushes here. Oh, that's fine. Probably should have used a different brush for the black, but maybe that was my issue. That's okay. Playing. So I haven't worked out at all either, which I'm a little disappointed by. So definitely want to fix that on my next days off, make more videos, work out. That's the goal. Because that's the whole reason why we bought this fucking crazy ass functional trainer, was to work out. Oh yeah. I don't know, this looks looking a little crazy here. I don't know if this is my favorite black color at all. It's more like gray. I don't know, it's looking pretty similar. Whatevs. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. Okay, I'm gonna take that black, called Lights Out by the way, hilarious, and just continue that underneath my eye, the outer edge. Remember, I am no professional, I am still learning myself. Okay, using that same brush, I'm gonna go into the blue, that's called Heavy Hitter, and just gonna wrap it around the other side. Again, just kind of mixing that black in with it. There's really no inner corners in this palette. Well, I don't know. I mean, like, I would have to use one of the actual colors. There's really no lighter color. We'll see. I might have something here. So the lady that I take over from on the train, she did message me and say that she didn't have to back order much, which is great for me, because we have to back order for each other basically. So I don't have to bring a whole lot down with me. That is a plus. I'm just going back over with this black, with the slightly fluffier brush, see what I can do. I'm not using the brushes that I bring with me to work. I'm actually going into all the other brushes that I have over here. Okay, so I'm going to do glitter glue, I think, to help have this stuff stay on my lids. So yes, I'm going to use my NYX glitter glue. Why am I using this? This is so heavy. I literally have this in between my arms. I feel like maybe I didn't lay enough product down, but we'll see. Okay, now using the same side of that brush, I'm going to pick up Golden Glove right there. Alrighty, moment of truth. Well, it's a really nice gold, that's for sure. I'm not really into golds myself, but you know, trying something different, something new. And the whole reason I wanted to try this because I was just looking up different looks on, I don't know, I keep saying Pinterest. What's wrong with me? Instagram. Thought about maybe taking the purple and blending it in, like one of the shimmery purples and blending it into the outer corner, but I don't know how that would look. I don't know if that would like mess it up at all. Because I got this gold going, and it looks okay. Oh, what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, cool. Alright, just using whatever is left on my brush and just wrapping that around. Oh, I'm going to put a little bit more on. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna get some mascara on and finish this up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and this is the completed look. I only did mascara, and I used this Milk Makeup. This is the Kush Waterproof mascara. I'm going to put this into my project pan, my potion project pan. I really need to get into using all this stuff in that. I haven't been doing my full face of makeup. Of course, I don't really do that at work because of the mask, but I haven't even been doing that at home here because all this. Anyways, yes, next days off, definitely gonna focus on that. But yeah, so this is gonna be my new mascara for my potion project pan, and that is what I will use. Let's hope that it's actually waterproof. I didn't do anything else. I didn't even do eyeliner. And I kind of wish I did. I usually like to just push it up in between my lashes on the upper line so that it just makes them darker, but that's fine. Let me know what you think down below of this look. I actually think it turned out pretty decent. I don't know what I was expecting. I might have been expecting different, but it looks cool. So I will report back later, I guess, and let you know if anyone at work says anything about it. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget I'm a daily uploader. I upload every single day. I like makeup, wrestling, and the Rocky Horror Picture Show, which that content will be coming after October. I'm so excited. And yes, this was for the Knockout palette from Beatdown Cosmetics. Okay, I will talk to you later. Bye.